one of the hardest things in the chapter on cash and trade discounts for students is figuring out how many days there are in each month so they can figure out the discount day and the day that the net is due. So I did a little PowerPoint for you and found a Mother Goose poem to help you remember the days of each month. So, like I said, this poem is by Mother Goose. It's 30 days, has September, April, June, and November. And if you can't get this video to play over here, simply go to this link and they'll sing the song for you and the whole poem. That way you'll know exactly which months have 30 days, which have 31, and then of course poor little February is either 28 or 29, depending upon if it's a leap year or not. Now, once you know that, figuring out the rest of the chapter is fairly easy. Let's say that you have cash terms of 3% 10, net 45, and your invoice date is March 15th. Typical problems for this chapter are what is the last day I can take the discount, and what is the last day I can pay without penalty. Okay, follow the steps to find the last day to take the discount. Well, our invoice date's March 15th. We get 10 days, so you simply add 10 to 15, and the last day that you can take the discount is if you pay on or before March 25th. Now you have net 45. That means to avoid a penalty, you have to pay the amount of the invoice within 45 days of invoice. That can get a little bit trickier if it goes over 30 days, and that's why I use the sample problem as net 45. So here's the first thing you want to do. Your invoice day is March 15th. Now March has a total of 31 days, but you're not starting until day 15. So you subtract 15 from the 31, and you have 16 days left in the month of March. Now, you have 45 days total to pay. You've already used up 16 days in the month of March. So 45 minus 16 leaves you with 29. So you still have 29 days into the month of April. So if you pay the net on or before April 29th, you're in good standing and you don't have to pay a penalty. Again, the trick here is simply to start with the total number of days in the month, subtract the day you start the invoice date, and then keep subtracting the number of days you've already used from the total, which in this problem is 45. Okay, so what if there's leftover days? Of course, textbooks always give you the easy problems, and then they hit you the ones that take care of all the exceptions. Let's say we move the invoice date to March 24th, same terms. Okay, 31 minus 24, we have 7 days left in March. Okay, next step, 45 days. We've used up 7, so we still have 38 left. Okay, but there is no April 38. April only has 30 days. So what do? Okay, you take the 38 days that you have left, you subtract the 30 days of the month in April. That means you've counted all those 30 days in April, and you have 8 days left. They spill over into the following month, which is May. So your last day to pay would be May 8th. Again, students, start with your total number of days, and you keep calculating how many days you have used. If you have more days left than are in the next month, subtract the number of days from that month, and that gives you how many are left into the following month. It's just a series of subtractions. Okay, I hope this helps. Email me if you have any questions. Once you get the hang of this, it's not very difficult at all. Take care. Bye.